Okay, children, in the last class, we have seen about the landscapes of Tamil Nadu. The landscapes are divided into 4 categories. I said mountains, plateaus, plains, and coast. Mountains we have seen in the last class. Now we are going to see about the plateaus. Plateaus there are 3 plateaus in Tamil Nadu, namely Baharamal Plateau. Baharamal. BHARAMAL, Baharamal Plateau. Okay, the next one is Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. Plateau means what? That is the high land. Okay, high land is known as the plateaus. So these plateaus are in 3 plateaus in Tamil Nadu: Baharamal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. There are many hills between these plateaus. So in the plateaus there are so many hills, small hills are there, not like a mountain, small hills, chinna hills. And Chenni Malai is one among the hills in Erode. Chenni Malai hills. Okay, Chenni Malai is the small hills. In Erode. So this Chenni Malai hills, small hills, is in Erode. So the plateaus are Baharamal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. And there are many small hills between these plateaus. Among these were Chenni Malai hills is the small hill which is in Erode. Now we are going to see about the plains. First we have seen the mountain, next we have seen the plateaus. Now we are going to see about the plains. So in plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. So this divided into what? River plains and coastal plains. River plains and coastal plains. So what do you mean by the river plains? We will say that one by one now, children. So river plains, so A is river plains we are going to say. So in this river plains, rivers, like here they are given the rivers map. You get from the shop Tamil Nadu rivers கேட்டிங்கன்னா கொடுப்பாங்க Tamil Nadu rivers. So if you get the book, நீங்கள் book வாங்கிட்டு இந்த rivers எல்லாம் you have to mark the rivers in the Tamil Nadu rivers. Okay, so you can give the color for blue color outline, you can give the oceans for blue color, and for rivers க்கு மட்டும் அந்த rivers க்கு மேலே blue sketch pencil நீங்கள் you can put it and write what all the rivers they are given in the book. So for second term we have started, so get the books children as early as possible, pay it and get the book so that you can prepare for the next exam. Okay, so ask your parents to get the books. So these rivers can be, these are the rivers here. This is Vattaparai, Thamirabarani, Kutralam, Suruli, Vaigai, Vellar, Kaveri, Noyal, Bhavani, Ogenikal, Cheyyar, Palar, Pennar, all these rivers you have to mark. Okay, so these rivers Palar, Cheyyar and Pennar and Vellar from the northern plains. Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar or from the Vellar, northern plains, from the northern side. Maliya paranga. Rivers names are also given. These are from the northern plains. The middle river is formed by the Kaveri. In the middle here is the Kaveri river and its tributaries. And river Vaigai and Thamirabarani from the south side. Vaigai and Thamirabarani. Here's the south. So this is Vaigai and Thamirabarani is here. And river Cheyyar. Cheyyar is a tributary river of river Palar. So Palar the tributary river is Cheyyar. And it's a seasonal river that flows through the districts of Tiruvannamalai. Season times there is a river, seasonal rivers, this and all. Particular period they will flow in the seasonal rivers that flows through the districts of Tiruvannamalai. And the next one is, so this is about the river plains. What are the rivers they said? Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar and Vellar. Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar and Vellar. From the northern plains. So இது எல்லா ரிவர்ஸுமே from the northern plains. And then the middle river is formed by the Kaveri. Kaveri is the middle tributaries. Kaveri is the tributary for the rivers. Tributaries. And then river Vaigai and Tamirabarani. Vaigai and Tamirabarani in the southern rivers. So Vaigai and Tamirabarani. Southern rivers. Okay. Southern plains. Then river Cheyyar is the tributary of Palar. River Cheyyar. So Cheyyar river was the tributary of Palar. Okay. And then it is the seasonal river. River Cheyyar is the seasonal river that flows. This is the seasonal river that flows through the district of Tiruvannamalai. It flows to Tiruvannamalai. It's a seasonal river. Tiruvannamalai. Okay. So this is about the river plains. Okay. Now coastal plains. Coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called as Cholamandalam, which extended from Chennai to Kanyakumari. From Chennai, inga irukku illaya, Chennai to Kanyakumari, these are called as a Cholamandalam. Coastal plains. River plains and coastal plains. Yeah, these coastal plains are also called Cholamandalam. What is that? Cholamandalam plains. Cholamandalam. Cholamandalam plains, which extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. This coastal plain is also known as the Cholamandalam plains, extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. So these are the two plains, river plains and the coastal plains. Okay children, now we are going to see about the coast. What are the coast? Coastal region. Next, fourth one is coast. So this coast, Tamil Nadu has the third longest coastline. So Tamil Nadu has the third longest coastline. Okay, this is the third longest coastline in India. The coastal region extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari, and Pamban Island forms a part of the Ramanathapuram. Here, you see, the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu. Here, this is the coastal areas. Yellow shade pannirukanga illaya. This will be the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu. So these coastal areas, pathina, it is the third longest coastline in India. The coastal region extends from the Chennai to Kanyakumari. Again, from the Chennai to Kanyakumari. The Chennai is here to Kanyakumari. And Pamban Island forms a part of the Ramanathapuram. In Ramanathapuram district, the Pamban Island, and it separates the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. Here you see the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. So the Ramanathapuram, Pamban Island separates the Ramanathapuram in district, separates Gulf of Mannar is here, Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. And 13 districts shows the coastline. So inga vandu 13 districts irukkudu. How many districts? 13 districts shows the coastline. That is 1, 2, கன்னியாகுமரி, திருநெல்வேலி, தூத்துக்குடி, ராமநாதபுரம், புதுக்கோட்டை, தஞ்சாவூர், திருவாரூர், நாகப்பட்டினம், கடலூர், விழுப்புரம், காஞ்சிபுரம், Chennai and Tiruvallur. So 13 districts shares the coastal line. The notable beaches of Tamil Nadu in the world. What are the notable beaches? We know the first one is the Marina Beach is the second longest beach. Okay, Marina Beach is the second longest beach in the world. Second longest urban beach in the world. Okay, Marina Beach is the second longest beach in the urban beach in the world. And Rameshwaram Beach. Rameshwaram is famous for its beautiful view. Rameshwaram and the beautiful view. So these are the most beautiful beaches. Then notable beaches, these are all. Kanyakumari Beach is famous for its beautiful views of sunrise and sunset. You know that Kanyakumari is famous for the beach as well as the sunrise and sunset. So these are the notable beaches in Tamil Nadu. Sunrise and sunset. Now after this, Paman Bridge in Rameswaram is the India's first sea bridge, opened in the year 1914. So in the Paman Bridge, this bridge has been opened in the year 1914. So in this, the train also will go at the top. When the ship comes, it will move off. Okay, the bridge will be open. And this bridge is opened in the year 1914. And droogs are the steep rocks. What do you mean by the droogs? Rockfort is the famous droog in Tamil Nadu. I mean திருச்சிராப்பள்ளி in தமிழ்நாடு. மலைக்கோட்டை சொல்லுவாங்க, மலையிலேயே அந்த கோட்டை மாதிரி குறைஞ்சி வச்சுக்கிறது தான் ட்ரூக்ஸ், ஸ்டீப் ராக்ஸ் அந்த ராக்ஸ்லேயே. ஸோ ராக்ஃபோர்ட் இஸ் ஃபேமஸ் ட்ரூக் இன் திருச்சிராப்பள்ளி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ஸ். What are the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu? We have got so many waterfalls. உங்களுக்கே தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ, you might have known that. So what are the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu? Waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. What are the waterfalls you can see? Waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. So waterfalls is an area where the river water flows down from a mountain. So மேலேருந்து கீழே மவுண்டன்லேருந்து you can get the water. Tamil Nadu has several waterfalls. So we got several waterfalls. What are the waterfalls here? Ogenekkal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Surili waterfalls and Vattaparai waterfalls. So first one is Ogenekkal waterfalls. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும் Ogenekkal, very beautiful place, and we can enjoy a lot in the waterfalls. And the மேலேருந்து மவுண்டன் மேலேருந்து அந்த ஃபால்ஸில் தண்ணி கீழே so beautiful. And even one sloping rope is a வடுவழுன்னு இருக்கும். அப்படியே we can slide down like a slider. எப்படி நீங்கள் ஸ்லைட் பண்ணுவோம் லைக் அந்த பாறை மேலேருந்து அப்படியே ஸ்லைட் பண்ணி we can again go into the falls, water, தண்ணியில். So beautiful that is. So this is located in the Dharmapuri district. It is in Dharmapuri district. Dharmapuri on the river Kaveri. So river Kaveriyoda சேர்ந்தது Ogenekkal waterfalls. It is known for bathing areas, boat rides, and attracts many tourists all around the year. And second one is the Kutralam waterfalls. This one is Kutralam. So Kutralam waterfalls another. It is located in Tenkasi. Kutralam waterfalls is in Tenkasi, and it is in the western ghats of the river Chittar. So it is in the western ghats, western side, western ghats of the river Chittar. So all this you might have learned, children. You must learn. And there are total of 9 falls, which is Perarvi, Aindarvi and Puliyarvi. So how many falls are there? Totally 9 falls are there. How many falls? In Kutralam, 9 falls are there. But are the famous, most prominent, most famous வந்து Perarvi. What is that? Perarvi, Aindarvi and Puliyarvi. So these are the most prominent in the waterfalls. Okay, so Perarvi, Aindarvi and Puliyarvi. These are about the Kutralam. Then Surli waterfalls. See, Surli waterfalls is located. It is located in Kanyakumari. So it is in Kanyakumari. Surli waterfall it's in Kanyakumari. The falls is surrounded by forest. So located in Theni. Surili is Theni. Here waterfalls form from a series of rock steps. So on the padikatland varamari a series of rock steps. And this is in Theni. And Vattaparai wall falls. Fourth one is Vattaparai. Vattaparai waterfalls. Vattaparai waterfalls is located in this only is Kanyakumari. And the falls is surrounded by forest on all sides. In the Vattaparai waterfalls is surrounded by forest. And people are allowed to take a natural bath here. So there are 3-4 waterfalls. Ogenikal, Kutralam and Surli waterfalls and then Vattaparai waterfalls. So this is it. Now try to answer. Page number 111. Try to answer. Name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu. Name some important rivers. So here they are given names of important rivers of Tamil Nadu. So the rivers are Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar and Vellar. From there and found by the Kaveri and Vaigai and Tamirabarani. Okay, these are the rivers. And now the next question is, where is Kutralam waterfalls located? Where is Kutralam waterfalls located? Where is it located? It is located in Tenkasi. Kutralam waterfalls located in Tenkasi. Okay. So this is it. So in this we are seeing today the plateaus. There are 3 plateaus: Baharmal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateaus and Madurai Plateau. And there are many small hills between these plateaus. And Chennimalai is one among the hills in Erode. And then plains. Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. And what are the rivers we are seeing? Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar and Vellar from the northern plains, and middle river plain is from the Kaveri, and river Vaigai and Tamirabarani from the southern plains. Northern plains is Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar and Vellar, and river Vaigai and Tamirabarani from the southern plains, and river Cheyyar is the tributary river of Palar. Then coastal plains is also known as the Cholamandalam plains, which extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. And Tamil Nadu coast as the 3rd longest coastline in India. The coastal region extends from the Chennai to Kanyakumari, and Pavan Island forms the part of the Ramanathapuram. And it separates the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait, and 13 districts share the coastline. And the notable beaches, Marina Beach is the second largest urban beach in the world, and Rameshwaram Beach is famous for its beautiful view, and Kanyakumari Beach is famous for its sunrise and sunset. And Paman Bridge in India is the first sea bridge, is opened in the year 1914. And the Drugs are the steep rocks, and this Rockfort temple is famous in Tiruchirappalli, that is we called it as a Malaikote. Then waterfalls. Waterfalls is an area where the river water flows down from the mountain. So there are several waterfalls. Some of them are Ogenekkal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Surali waterfalls, and Vattapare waterfalls. Ogenekkal waterfalls is in river Dharmapuri, and it's only known for the bathing areas, boat rides, and attract many tourists. And Kutralam waterfalls is in Tenkasi. In the totally 9 falls are there in Kutralam, but the most prominent is Perarivi, Aindarivi, and Puliyarivi. And Surali waterfalls is located in Theni, and this waterfalls from a series of rock steps. And Vattapare waterfalls is located in Kanyakumari. This is in Kanyakumari district, and this falls is surrounded by the forest on all sides. People are allowed to take the natural bath here. And try to answer these 2 questions is that name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu is Pala, Cheyyar, Penna, Vella, Kaveri, Vaigai, and Tamirabarani. And where is Kutralam waterfalls is located? Tenkasi. So side by side 2 questions they are asking. So learn those questions and learn what all we are written in the book. Thank you, children.